Hello friends, welcome to Pawan Shop channel. In this tutorial we are going to see about JavaScript statement with example step by step from script. So let's start with example first. So here I am going to add one line. This is the H1 tag. This is JavaScript statement example. Okay, example tutorial. So here I have created one paragraph. This statement is going to be changed. So what I am going to do, I am going to write one code and I will add one button. When I will click on that button, so this line will change with some another sentence. So let's see. As we know, we can write the JavaScript code inside the script tag. So inside the script tag, where I am going to create one function. Inside the function, I am going to declare one variable x, y, z. And I'm going to assign one x is equal to 100, y is to 300, and z is equal to x plus y. Okay. And then document dot get element by id demo dot inner HTML. Here this line, what I am going to write, this statement has been changed successfully. Okay, and whatever value will come in z variable, that will be print. So statement is basically set of instruction, right? We are giving some instruction to computer to perform some task. So here if you see line number 17, in 17th line we are writing one function. We are giving some instruction, right, to create. So when computer will read this line, so computer will understand I have to create one function with name my function name. So the computer will create the function with my function name. So this list of instruction, so this instruction in programming language we can call statement. So this is the statement only. Statement. So this is first statement, this is second statement, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and list of means we have list of instruction. So each line is called statement. So this is statement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you see here, I have written one space, and here we don't have any space. So computer, if you are writing any space between character and operator, so what will do, computer will ignore this multiple space. So you can write one space or two space, computer will ignore the space. If you are not writing any space, that is also fine, but to improve the readability of the code, if you are writing the space, so this is the good. And then In line number 22 we have written this line. So this, in this line I have total 105 character. So if any statement crossing 80 character, so that line you can break that line, right? So if you can break this line after the operator. This is the equal operator, so after this operator you can break the line, so to improve the readability of the code. Okay, and then here I'm going to create one button value click, and on click I'm going to call my function. Okay, let's see. Let's save and let's run the application. So go to workspace. This is my workspace. Here I'm going, let's run the line. See, this is JavaScript statement example tutorial. This line is going to read, and then this statement is going to change, be changed. This statement is going to be changed when I'll click in this button. So this statement, this line will be changed with some another sentence. So let's click. This statement has been changed successfully. 400. So 300, and this is 100. 300 plus 100, 400. So 400 here printed. Okay, and let's see. Let's go for theory part. So if you go theory part, here we have written declared variable xyz and assigning 10 to x, 20 to y, and in z x plus y. This is the statement. So in computer program is a list of instructions to be executed by the computer. In programming language, these programming instructions are called statement. So we have list of instructions, right? So in this statement, in this instruction, in this line, we are giving instruction to computer to declare variable with name x, y, z, right? This is the instruction. So we have list of instructions to be executed by computer. So computer will read this instruction and will declare variable x, y, z. And in programming language, this instruction is called statement. In programming language, this instruction called statement. The JavaScript program is a list of programming statement. Semicolon statement. If you are writing semicolon, add the semicolon at the end of each executable statement. So you can write it. If you are writing the semicolon, so multiple statements on one line are allowed. If you are writing the here, so you can write this statement like this also in single line. If you are writing the semicolon at the end, so you can write multiple statements in single line. Then is white space. White space, JavaScript ignore multiple space. You can add white space to your JavaScript, to make it more readable. For example, means here we have written space, here we don't have any space, so both are the equal, and the best readability programmers often like to avoid code line longer than 80 character. So you've seen already here this, if you any statement is crossing 18 characters, so you can break after operator. So best place to break it is after an operator, right? So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel, Pawan Soft channel. Thanks.